Hello, it's Abigail of Ground and Grow Yoga, and today I have a nice flow to help you get ready for bed, to help you de-stress from the day so far and really allow yourself to come into a state of relaxation. You do not need anything for this practice, but if you would like to have a blanket or a pillow with you, you can do that. So hop on your mat and let's get started. To start, come into a comfortable seat. You can take a blanket to sit up on it to help level out your hips. But wherever you're sitting, I want you to bring your shoulders up towards your ears and release. Up towards your ears and release. Up towards your ears and release. Up towards your ears and hold. And sigh it out. Up towards your ears and hold. Sigh it out. Up towards your ears and hold. Sigh it out. From here, I would like you to walk your fingers forward, getting a nice stretch down through the shoulders. We're moving the shoulders down the back, keeping our back nice and straight. And then slowly dip the chin towards the chest and allow yourself to round down. From here, we're going to walk our hands towards one side of the mat, getting a nice stretch through the side body, and walking all the way towards the other side of the mat. Walking towards the left. And then walking towards the right. Come back to center. Slowly roll up, sitting nice and tall. We're going to incline the head towards the right. And this might be enough of a stretch through the tendons of the neck. Or you could dip your chin towards your shoulder. Or you can place palm of your hand on your head to tack in a little bit of weight. Or do both. Bring your chin towards your shoulder and pull down slightly. So we're not tugging at the neck, just holding here. Making sure to breathe. Slowly release. Dropping the head towards the other side, again keeping it here, moving your chin towards your shoulder, tacking in a little bit of weight, or moving it towards your shoulder and tacking in a little bit of weight. Just breathing here. Good. Release slowly back to center. Dip the chin in towards the chest. Allow the navel to move towards the spine and round. Inhale, come back up straight. Exhale, round. Really dipping the chin in towards the chest. Getting a nice stretch through our spine. Inhale, come back up straight. Exhale, round. Inhale, up straight. Exhale, round. From here, come up, sitting as straight as you can. You're going to inhale in, arms come out to the side. Exhale, hold. Inhale, get a little bit taller. Exhale, twist towards the left, allowing the hand to fall on the outside of the knee. Not yanking around, just allowing it to fall here. Left hand is behind you. Inhaling in and exhaling. In and exhaling. Inhale in, release back to center. Exhale, lower the shoulders. Inhale, arms come out to the side. Exhale, hold. Inhale, get taller. Exhale, twist towards the right. Breathing here. Keeping that length through the spine. Inhale in, and on the exhale, come back to center. We're going to speed this up a little bit. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, turn. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist. 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 Come back to center. We're going to turn on our mat. Bringing our feet a little bit more than hip width apart. We're going to allow our hands to fall onto our legs and just rolling through the spine. We're going to dip our chin towards our chest and then come back up straight. Dip it towards our chest. Come up straight. Chin towards chest. Come up straight. Chin towards chest and hold. And come back up. Sending the feet out in front of you, still keeping the knees slightly bent. We're going to inhale, get tall. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. So my spine is still nice and straight. Breathing here. And then allow yourself to round through the spine. You can release the legs out. Don't worry about your hands touching your feet. Really rounding, overly rounding through the spine.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
here, we're going to roll up slowly. We're going to turn so our feet are towards the wall. If you do not have a wall, you could use a chair or your couch or anything that is up. You could also just hold your legs up in the center of the room, although that is not as relaxing. So we're coming towards the wall. Feet go up on the wall, head relaxes back. If you want a little bit of a hip stretch, you could allow the legs to open wide. If this is too much on your low back, you can bend the knees. We're just helping the blood, the oxygenated blood, to return to the heart more easily. Just helping that process along. Breathing here. Really feeling your back relax down into the mat. You can stay here, or you can slowly make yourself come down to the mat and allow either your knees to fall apart towards the side, or bringing your feet as wide as the mat, allow your knees to fall in towards each other, whichever feels nicer on your body. Or this is a time where you could use your pillow to put that underneath your knees to come down into Shavasana. But wherever you are, whether you are in butterfly pose or reclined cobbler's pose, with our feet wide and knees together, with our feet over a pillow, I want you to place one hand on your heart, one hand on your stomach, and I want you to inhale in. Feel your body expand, feel your back against the yoga mat, feel your stomach rise and your chest rise, and exhale out through the mouth. Really releasing everything down into the mat. Inhale in slowly, feeling everything rise and puff out in all directions. Exhale out through the mouth. Release. Inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale in. Exhale, release. Now trying to increase the length on both of these. Inhale in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sigh it out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. And sigh it out. So if 5 is too much, try 3. But inhaling in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really expand and hold. Sigh it out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale in. And out. Inhale in. sigh it out. Wherever you are, find your way to Shavasana, really releasing the shoulders, feeling the low back against the mat. Bring your hands either to your stomach, the creases of your legs, out towards the side, wherever's comfortable for you. And just notice how your body feels. Relaxing into your mat, knowing that tomorrow is a new day, a fresh start. Just breathing here. Stay here as long as you can, and I hope you have a wonderful night. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, as well as comment relief so that I know you made it all the way to the end of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe as well as ring the bell so that you know when I have new content come out. Subscribers allow me to continue to make free content. Remember to continue to ground down into your strengths and to grow as an individual. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.